Valentine's Day, what's more romantic than cocktails and chocolate? And I'm gonna teach you how to make a chocolate cranberry mule. So first we're going to start with our garnish, which is going to be a ganache rimmed glass. I made this myself, but you could also use Nutella with a little bit of heavy cream to thin it out. And then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of our Halcyon Days Cranberry Thyme vodka, which is made with fresh cranberries and thyme steeped in vodka for a couple days, and it's absolutely delicious. And we're going to do 1/4 ounce of Luxardo cherry syrup. These cherries are produced exclusively in Italy, and I think this syrup has a little bit of a richer flavor than your traditional maraschinos. And then we're going to do 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And then we'll fill our glass with ice. And top it off with ginger beer. And there you have it, a chocolate cranberry mule for Valentine's Day.